be a part of this exciting day, celebrating your graduation and the beginning of your chosen careers as culinary professionals. This excellent school has given you the basics, the tools, and the foundation you need to move forward with your career.
Today is a milestone, and each milestone deserves recognition and celebration. For our students, these milestones should also be celebrated and remembered.
I would really encourage you, your generation of chefs, to become bold, to have the courage to do what is unexpected, to push yourself to the limit.
Your careers are just beginning. Every day is a new day. Be hungry and strive to be the best and the brightest. You must learn from all your experiences, positive or negative. You must remember that even the sharpest knife will become dull and virtually useless if not sharpened regularly.
Huwag po kayo susuko kung may anumang struggles or challenges ng dumaan. Sabihin na nating malayo ka pa sa pangarap mo, pero tandaan nyo, malayo na yung nararating na papunta sa pangarap mo.
Inyong industriya ay nagbibigay ng pahinga at kaligayahan sa tao. Kayo ang pambansang Pampagood Vibes.
Yesterday is the past, tomorrow is the future, today is a gift, and that is why we call it the present. Above all things, cook well, work hard, and make sure you clean down your station.
Tunay na malaking hamon ang pagbangon ng ekonomiya. At sa giyerang ito o sa laban na ito, tila mga sundalo kayo na sasabak kasama ng iba pang mga frontliners natin. Despite all of these, you all managed to rise above the challenges and finish school. Kaya't mabuhay kayong lahat. Hangang-hanga ako sa inyong lahat.
Good luck, work hard, be passionate about food, and prosper.